Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I'm going to show you how to check your engine oil level in a BMW 3 Series. So yesterday I was driving the vehicle and all of a sudden I saw this engine oil level low light, which made me pull over, and I just wanted to check the oil dipstick, and I pulled over on the side of the road, opened the hood, and I spent about 5 minutes looking for the dipstick, and I was like, oh my god, okay, this car doesn't have a dipstick. Okay, so I googled and I figured it out how to check the oil level. Now it's not as easy as you would think. Well, and it is actually pretty easy too, so here it is. What you have to do is you have to toggle this up and down. So when you toggle this up and down, you see check control oil. When you come to that menu, press this button. When you press this button, you see this clock ticking around. You just have to wait about 2 to 3 minutes for this to show you. You are gonna wait. Okay, now if you notice the top part, that's where the fuel gauge is, and there's minimum and max. My oil level is a little lower than minimum, and it says +1 it's L for a liter. So I guess for some reason this vehicle requires a liter of oil. Do keep in mind it is overdue for an oil change. So I am going to my mechanic and I will get an oil change done, and we'll try to see what's causing the engine to burn a little bit of oil. Well, please hit the like button and the subscribe button to stay tuned.